vlogger from Iloilo City, and today I'm going to show you what's inside this kits that I got from Jeunesse Anion Sanitary Napkin.
So first, I will show you what's inside this PMS kit. The packaging is really nice. However, this is not yet available in the market, but let's just hope that it will be very soon. So let's open. Inside the PMS kit, it has Jeunesse Anion Sanitary Napkins in different variants. We have the ultra thin super dry, super absorbent day pads, non-wing. This is for the light days. We also have the ultra thin super absorbent day pads, also for the light days. And next we have the ultra thin super absorbent night. And for the heavy days, we have the extra long for extra comfort at night, a 9 all-night pad. So for each pack, it has 5 pads. And then we have the panty liners. And also some foods inside the PMS kit. We have the Biscoff. Right, thank you, Jeunesse. Some tea. And 2 cans of Jeunesse bag, and inside are more sanitary pads.
So what makes Jeunesse different from the other brand is that it has an anion protection. So each pads has an anion strip, and I will show you what this anion strip looks like. So let's open this one. And so this strip here is called the anions. It says here that anions are what you call vitamins of the air, and these are negative ions which increase blood flow in the brain and help boost energy, making women mentally alert, happy, and maybe more tolerable to pain. And aside from that, it helps prevent bacteria, reduce feminine discomfort and dysmenorrhea, and also eliminates unwanted odors. So